Sometimes you're not at your desk in your company, but you still want to see what's happening on your company's computer. With Wolfeye Remote Screen, you can monitor all PCs, all computers right from your phone, from your smartphone. Either you have an iPhone or an Android phone, you will be able to see the live screen of all your computers in your company from your smartphone. Yeah. So in this video, I will show you how easy it is to open dashboard from your mobile browser and um, to view the live screens live. Yeah. So also um, you will be able to see screenshots screenshot history made every 5 minutes. A screenshot is saved, or every 1 minute, every 10 minutes, as you need it. So let's jump into it. Hi, my name is Angel. I'm from wolfeye.de. And yes, this works like this. First of all, Wolfeye Remote Screen is a software that allows you to monitor a Windows computer. But so you can install it on Windows computers, but you will be able to see the live screen of those computers on a dashboard using your smartphone. So what you cannot do is install it on a smartphone to monitor a smartphone. That's not possible with Wolfeye Remote Screen. What I mean is you install it on Windows computer in your company, in your business, and will be able to see the live screen of multiple computers on a dashboard. That's what I will show you here from your phone, from your smartphone. Okay, that should be clear. Why is that possible? Because the dashboard that will show you all the live screens on one dashboard for all the computers in your company is a dashboard in your browser, and every smartphone has a browser. I show it. So this works like this. You install first Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of your company computer that you want to monitor. And I will show you in a minute how to do that. It's very easy. But what you get then, you get a dashboard on a browser. You see my screen here? This is the demo dashboard, by the way. The password is 12345 for the demo version. Of course, you set your own password, and the password will not be displayed on your dashboard. This is just the demo version. So and what you see here is you see my browser. This is a browser. I'm recording this video on the computer, so not on my smartphone. But you will be able to open this link also on your smartphone. Maybe you want to try it, by the way, and you will be able to enter this password and access the demo dashboard from your smartphone. Try it out. Please go to your smartphone, open this website, wolfeyewatch.com/frames/demo.php, and you will be able to enter the password 12345, and you will enter the demo password. So in this particular case, Wolfeye has been installed on 5 computers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is a browser, by the way, and the dashboard, you see the dashboard from your browser. So you will be able, I hope you are doing it on your smartphone right now. You will see it on your smartphone, the dashboard with all the live computer screens of in your companies in your smartphone. Doesn't matter what phone you have, an iPhone, a Samsung, an Android phone, whatever. Yeah. So what you see here is the demo dashboard, of course, and you don't see live screens, so to speak. You see just the picture here. But in reality, you will see the live screen, okay? And live screen means the following. Live screen means a screenshot is made every 3 seconds. Every 2 to 3 seconds, a screenshot is made. This is updated every 2 seconds. Every 3 seconds, you see the updated live screen. The screenshot's updated every 2 seconds, every 3 seconds. That's what you see here for each of the computers that Wolfeye is installed, okay? By the way, you can change here the columns, so you see bigger screens or you see more screens. And if you wanted to take a closer look on one of the computers, one of the models, you right mouse click on one of these text where you read live. For example, here, right mouse click and open in a new tab, and the live screen for that particular computer will appear. Yeah, you can change size and bigger. Okay. the live stream will appear. So that's the first thing. And also screenshot history. For if you wanted to see the screenshot history, a screenshot is saved every 5 minutes, for example. You right mouse click. This is not standard enabled. You must let us know if you want to have it enabled. You have a screenshot history report that every 5 minutes a screenshot is saved. You can change the interval every 1 minute, every 10 minutes, as you like. Yeah. So that is basically what you will get. That is what you will get. So what I ask you is come to our website, wolfeye.de. Yeah? If you wanted also to use Wolfeye Remote Screen, and if you wanted to monitor your company computers to see the live screen and to monitor everything that happens on them without the employees, the staff noticing anything about any surveillance, please come to our website, wolfeye.de, and start a free trial. You hit start a free trial, and here you can book a demo session, okay? A demo session with Google Meet. We will make a Google Meet demo session. Why with Google Meet? Because in Google Meet, I can share my screen. You can watch my screen live. You can share your screen if we would need it. Yeah? And contact me. I speak English, Spanish, German, Portuguese. Okay, so any of these languages you can choose. And in this Google Meet session, I will do a quick demo of Wolfeye Remote Screen. Yes, a quick demo. Will share my screen, and also I will give you access to my dashboard, so to speak. You will log into my dashboard and see my live computer screen. So you exactly know what you will get when you install it on your computer screens. Okay. And in the next step, we can continue, and you can share your screen, and I guide you through the installation process. I send you the download link and guide you how you install it, so you can install it on 1 or 2 of your computers. That will enable you to quickly set up Wolfeye by yourself for your remaining computers. And in the next step, you get your link to your dashboard like this here. 9 computers have been installed. You get the link to your dashboard. Yeah. And you test it for a few weeks. Okay, so here it is written 30 minutes, and basically we only take 10 minutes. Why? Because or 15 maybe, because the download and installation takes very short. I will demonstrate it. The software that you download is is this a setup, the installation file, a quick installation file. Okay, and basically I will give you the download link, and you will and I will guide you. Basically, will tell you run the application. The setup window appears. Then you hit install. Oh wait, preparing to install setup. Oh, okay, wait. That's because Wolfeye is already running. Exit setup. Let me. Now you saw a task or the Wolfeye installation folder. So you see it live. Is C users public documents W, and you must start it by opening it. That's it. Okay, now we can install it. It was already running. I just recorded another video. So you execute the installation file. You install it. That's it. Okay, that's it. And now you finish, and it opens the Wolfeye Remote Screen control window. It opens, okay? And to install it, to set up the software, you just click on the green button that says Share Screen. That enables the recording, okay? Then you hit on the blue button that says Stealth Mode. And then it goes into stealth mode, and it runs on Windows Startup, hides itself, but lets you monitor and record it. It's just these 2 clicks. Sorry, it didn't work because I was recording a video and Wolfeye was running, so he was trying to install Wolfeye while it was already running. So that obviously is not possible. Yeah. So for the next, in case I record another video. So the installation folder is C, users, public documents. Okay, this is the installation folder, as you see, and W. Sorry, this is the installation folder. Okay, so you can stop the surveillance by opening again. That would stop it. So that's it. So please come to our website. Yeah, come to our website. schedule a Google Meet demo session for Wolfeye Remote Screen, I will be very, very happy. See you in the next video.